Hello friends, welcome to Netflix channel. Today we are going to see how to prepare fresh cream at home using butter. I have taken 100 grams of butter. It should be in room temperature. Let's start beating it. I have used electric beater. If you don't have electric beater, you can use whisk, but it will take some longer time to beat than the beater. We need to beat continuously. I have taken unsalted butter. Our butter has become little smooth and the color also has been changed. For around 5 minutes I have beaten this. See, our butter is smooth. Continue stirring. The butter preparation I have already uploaded in our channel. You can refer the link from the description box. Now the butter has become little more smoother and soft. In this stage, we are going to add sugar powder. I have taken 150 grams of sugar powder and going to sieve it. By adding in this way, our cream will become more smoother and soft. Now I am going to add our sugar powder. Add little by little, don't add completely at a time. Add the sugar powder little and beat it. Going to add the remaining sugar powder and beat it well. Our cream texture is changed. See, it has become more smooth as well as thick. It has been around 10 minutes. Now our butter has become more fluffy. See, our cream texture and color is perfect. We have done almost 90%. Now we are going to add 2 spoons of milk. It depends upon the thickness. You can add 1 or 2 spoons of milk, boiled and cooled milk. That's it. Beat it for a while. You can increase the speed automatically and then reduce it slowly. So around 15 minutes we have taken to complete the total process. In this stage, you can add essence for flavor or colors, food colors or cocoa powder as you wish. Super. Now, this is the final stage. If we invert the bowl, it should not drop down. This is the perfect consistency. Now our fresh cream is ready. Within 15 minutes, we can make a fresh cream without any artificial preservatives. This fresh cream, you can use it for decorating pastries, cakes, etc. See how perfect our cream is ready. Try it at your home and don't forget to post your experience in the comment box. Now we'll go for the tip of the day. We are going to see about heel pain. Nowadays, this is one of the major problem that occurs for each and every individual. I'll share few home remedies now. Contrast bath, that is, take 2 buckets. In one bucket, fill hot water, that is, which is comfortable for you, and in another bucket, take cold water and put some ice cubes. Now, first dip your legs in hot water and maintain for 3 minutes. Then immediately put in cold water for 1 minute. Repeat the process in hot and cold water for around 15 minutes, 2 times a day. Add rock salt in hot water. It gives relaxation to your muscles. Then ball massage. It is, place a ball under your foot. Press it along the ball, heel to toe and toe to heel. Give more pressure on the heel. It gives relaxing effect and releases pressure on the foot muscles. Then we can see about bottle rolling. Take a freezing water bottle, keep it under your foot and roll over the affected area continuously for 15 minutes twice a day. Then try with foot massage, that is, apply pressure on your foot, that is, heel to toe with your thumb and knuckles. Just give pressures. It may increase the blood supply and relaxes your foot muscles. After getting up from the bed in the morning, try to walk on your toes. Always try to walk on the outer side of your foot and fingers slightly curled. It will strengthen your arches of the foot and increase balance. Then stretching. You can do self-stretch. In long sitting, keep your knees straight and wrap a towel around the arch of the foot and try to pull it towards your face. Hold it for 15 seconds and repeat it for 5 times. These are all basic home remedies that I have shared with you. Please try it and maintain your foot muscles in good condition. In the next video, I'll come with other useful tips. Hope you are enjoying my videos. Thank you for watching.